पावर एजुकेशन पॉइंट चैनल में आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत करता हूं मैं। आज हम लोग देखेंगे यूपी बोर्ड क्लास 12th इंग्लिश क्लास 12th का इंग्लिश एनसीईआरटी बुक चैप्टर 2 देख रहे थे, लॉस्ट स्प्रिंग। लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन देखेंगे आज। शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप मैं करा चुका हूं, अगर आप नहीं देखे तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया गया है, वहां से आप लोग जाके देख सकते हैं। तो लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन, तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, हु वाज साहेब, व्हाट वाज द plight the compel him to wander in the street of Delhi for rag pickers। साहब कौन था, वह क्या स्थिति थी जो उसको दिल्ली की गलियों में कूड़ा करकट बीनने के लिए भटकने को बाध्य करती थी। तो आंसर लिखेंगे, साहब हु बिलोंग्ड to the family of rag pickers was a young boy wandering in the street of Delhi with his friends. They were the squatters from Dhaka, Bangladesh, where the storm has destroyed their green fields and homes. They were so poor that they could not go to school. Their parents were dependent on rag picking only for their livelihood and unable to bear any other expenses except food. In total, their poverty was the plight that compelled Saheb and other likes him to wander in the street of Delhi rag picking। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 देखते हैं। चिल्ड्रेन लाइक साहब ऑफ्टन गो फॉर प्राइवेट जॉब्स इन एवरी स्मॉल एज। इज दिस देयर फाइनल डेस्टिनी हाउ कैन सच सिचुएशन बी ओवरकम। साहब जैसे बच्चे अक्सर काफ़ी कम उम्र में निजी नौकरियां करने लगते हैं, क्या यही उनका अंतिम हश्र है? इस प्रकार की स्थिति से कैसे उबरा जा सकता है? तो आंसर लिखेंगे, चिल्ड्रेन लाइक साहब ऑफ्टन स्टार्ट टू द जॉब्स इन वेरी स्मॉल एज एंड द ओनली रीजन बिहाइंड इट इज their poverty. Their parents have to earn money for survival first, then they could think for any other expenses. Sometimes they find no value of education in their life and remains uneducated. Mostly this become their final destiny, because when they engage themselves in such jobs once, then it seems very hard and impossible to run out of those. So till their age, they got trapped in such jobs and deprived of real education. Such situation can only be overcome by the combined efforts of parents and government both. Every section of the society will have to work commonly and detactedly to fight with this evil of our society। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 देखते हैं। हु वाज मुकेश, व्हाट डिड ही वांट टू डू इन हिज लाइफ एंड व्हाट डिड ही नॉट वांट टू फॉलो। मुकेश कौन था, वह अपने जीवन में क्या करना चाहता था और किस चीज का वह अनुसरण नहीं करना चाहता था। तो इसका आंसर लिखेंगे, मुकेश वाज अ मेंबर ऑफ फैमिली फ्रॉम फिरोजाबाद engaged in bangles making. His whole family since last many generation was involved in only bangle making. So no person of such bangles making families could think of any other work naturally as become of family trade. He himself too had to do the same work, but Mukesh never wanted to follow that tradition. Actually, he wanted to be a motor mechanic, for which he had to take a great pain going against his family tradition and members without support taking the training, going very far from his house for learning, etc. When the author asked him about his goal, he straightforwardly replied for a motor mechanic. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देखते हैं. Why did the narrator notice in the locality where Mukesh lived? What was the condition of bangles makers? जहां पर मुकेश रहता था उस इलाके में कहानीकार ने क्या अवलोकन किया, चूड़ी बनाने वालों की वहाँ क्या हालत थी. तो आंसर लिखेंगे वेयर मुकेश लाइव्ड देयर द नरेटर नोटिस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एज चिल्ड्रेन illegally working in the glass of furnaces with high temperatures in Disney cells without air and light striking lens, choked with garbage, past homes that remain hovels with crumbling walls, wobbly doors, humans and animals living together, Mukesh house with a half-built shack, and many other miserable things. There the narrator noticed that the condition of bangles maker was very pitiable. They were very poor. Even after having the lunch, there was no surety of dinner. The labor of bangles maker was very hard, whereas their income was too low that they were unable to send their children to the school. They were continuously fighting with poverty. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है every other house in Firozabad engaged in glass industry. In every other yard there finds the spiral of bangles. Even then the makers remain in miserable condition. What are the reasons? Explain with the suggestion to overcome this situation. फिरोजाबाद में प्रत्येक दूसरा घर कांच उद्योग में लगा हुआ है. हर दूसरे आंगन में चूड़ियों के चक्र गुच्छे मिल में जाते हैं. फिर भी बनाने वाले दयनीय हालत में रहते हैं. क्या कारण है? स्थिति से उबरने के सुझावों के साथ वर्णन कीजिए. तो इसका आंसर लिखेंगे इन इंडिया फिरोजाबाद इज द लार्जेस्ट मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ बैंगल्स. एवरी अदर हाउस इन फिरोजाबाद इज engaged in glass industry. In every other yard there finds the spiral of bangles. But these families always remain, यहाँ पे 11 आप कट कर दीजिएगा, remain in miserable condition. The reason behind it are a lot in many ways. As since generation they have been engaged in only bangles making and not seen any other thing. Never. So they are totally depend on his trade. Whenever they think on or effort for any other trade, they are stopped and hauled up by the police and other person like middlemen, saukars, the keepers of law, the barricades and the politician. Their condition can only be reformed by the combined efforts of bangles maker and the government both. Their products should be given hallmark and kept free from taxes. They should be given opportunity to sell their products directly to the companies, and the mediators must be removed. Even the government can give subsidy to these poor bangles makers. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 देखते हैं, लास्ट प्रश्न है इसका. What is the vicious circle of middlemen? How are they trapped since the time of their forefathers? Can they get organized? If not, why? Explain. दलालों का क्रूरतापूर्वक चक्र क्या है? अपने पूर्वजों के समय से वे कैसे फंसे हुए हैं? क्या वे संगठित हो सकते हैं? यदि नहीं तो व्याख्या कीजिए। तो आंसर लिखेंगे इसका, द विक्सस सर्कल ऑफ मिडलमैन इज श्योरली वेरी विक्सस। एक्चुअली whenever this bangles maker step out to come forward for any other work, they are held up and stopped by the policemen and sockers. Middlemen, the keepers of law, the barricades and the politician. Whenever they even think of any other trade, their thinking and abilities are killed, and this vicious circle of so-called gentlemen of the society seems more powerful than a web of spider. They have been trapped since the time for their forefathers due to the same reason, because his legacy, his beginning transferred to every next generation, and due to this naturally felt and given legacy, the child accept it very ordinarily. They can never be organized so easily, because the middlemen and other do not let them organized because of their own greed and selfishness. These so-called important person of the society thinks only of themselves and do the fake promise, showing the false sympathy. So their bangles makers reform remains a challenge for them as well as for government. तो आज का इतना ही। तो अगले वीडियो में मैं इसका लैंग्वेज स्टडी बताऊंगा जो कि मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन है। तो आज के लिए इतना ही। पावर एजुकेशन पॉइंट चैनल में धन्यवाद।